Hello friends, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center. Today we are going to learn how to encrypt or decrypt a file inside Linux operating system. So if you are using any Linux based operating system, you can encrypt and decrypt a file using Blowfish algorithm. Today in this class, I am just going to discuss with one algorithm, that is Blowfish algorithm, which is by default installed inside your operating system with OpenSSL package. So as you can see, this is my Red Hat Enterprise Linux Server 5.4 version. You don't need to install anything inside this. Already everything is installed, like all OpenSSL softwares are installed, pre-installed. Either you are using Ubuntu, Red Hat, Kali Linux, OpenSSL softwares are by default installed inside your system. So you don't need to install any software. I am going to create a directory here. Suppose I am going inside the directory, data directory. Let me try to create a file here. Okay, so by default there are some files. Let me check the files. So suppose I have a file abc.txt, and you can see the content inside abc.txt. Let me delete all the remaining file, suppose xyz.txt. Okay, and clear this screen using clear command. So what inside this folder, we have only one file abc.txt, and this file is not protected. As you can clearly see, if anyone log into the system, he can see the content of this file just using this command cat abc.txt. Now I am going to encrypt this file using Blowfish algorithm. For that, how to encrypt? Use the command OpenSSL, then the algorithm bf is the algorithm, Blowfish algorithm, then this bracket, and then the name of the file you want to encrypt. So I want to encrypt abc.txt. Then close the bracket, and then you have to give the name of the file, the output file, the encrypted output file which will be created. Okay, so let's suppose anything like xyz.txt. Okay, press enter. It will ask you any password. Give any password, suppose 123. Enter. Repeat the password again for verification. 123. Enter. Done. Now what has been done? The file abc.txt has been encrypted to xyz.txt. So xyz.txt is basically the encrypted version of abc.txt. So when you run ls command here, you can see xyz.txt and abc.txt. What do you mean by xyz.txt? Actually, here xyz.txt is the encrypted version of abc.txt. It means if you see the content of, if you want to see the content of xyz.txt using cat command, you will not be able to see. You will see the encrypted data. Okay, why you are seeing the encrypted data? Because the data has been encrypted. Okay, so now how to decode? So before decode, I am going to delete the simple file which is not encrypted, that is abc.txt. Okay, so rm -rf means this command is used to delete the file abc.txt, and you can see I have deleted abc.txt. Now we have only one file xyz.txt which is encrypted, as you can see clearly. Okay, so this file is encrypted. Now how to decode this file, how to decrypt this file? So if you are using, if you have used Blowfish algorithm for encryption, you have to use the Blowfish algorithm for decryption also. Okay, so you must know the algorithm and you must know the password, because this is symmetric cryptography. Symmetric cryptography means same password and same algorithm is used to encrypt and decrypt. So you have to use the same algorithm and the same password to decrypt this file. Let's decrypt this file. OpenSSL Blowfish algorithm -d for decryption. Okay, now I want to decrypt which file? xyz.txt file into any file name you can give, suppose a.txt. So what does this command mean? Using this command, I am telling the operating system to decode the file xyz.txt to a.txt using Blowfish algorithm. It is asking me the password. Okay, so this command will ask you the password. You have to give the same password with which you have encrypted this file. So remember, the password we have given during encryption is 123. So you have to type 123 here again and done. Decryption done. Now run ls command and you can see a.txt file here. So you can check cat a.txt for the content, and you can see we get our original content, cybersecurity online training. In this way, you can encrypt or decrypt a file using Blowfish algorithm. I hope you guys understand how to encrypt and decrypt file using Blowfish algorithm inside Linux operating system. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching.